So today I want to show you this amazing USB travel charger. This is seriously a lifesaver, whether you are traveling a lot or even if you just have a lot of electronics to charge while you're at home. You just plug the charger in like this, and then you plug in your electronics, like your phone, tablets, power banks, smartwatches, or anything else that could be charged with a USB cord. This product also features a light that you can turn on and off easily. You just short press it once to turn it on, and once again to turn it off. You can long press it to adjust the brightness. And the cool thing is this product actually has brightness memory function, so it will remember the brightness level you adjusted it to when you turn it on next. This product is also adaptable. It comes with interchangeable plugs. So US to UK to EU and then AUS. So no matter where you travel, you can use this. This USB travel charger is very well made. It's portable and it's such high quality for the price. Honestly, it's a travel must-have.